You're thinking about getting started in real estate investing, but you're not sure if it's a good idea. Let's talk about some pros and cons to real estate investing. Hi, I'm Lyle with DFW Top, where it's designed for winners to optimize profitability. And today we're talking about real estate investing. Is it a good business to get involved in? Let's talk about some pros and cons. Let's start with the cons, because everybody always starts there, right? Number one, risk. It's a risky business. If you take a house and it's a $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $500,000 house, that's a huge bunch of money. That's a huge risk, right? It is if you don't have the right knowledge. That's the key. Risk is only to the extent of calculated risk. Think about that. I don't want you to be just risky in real estate investing. I want you to have calculated risk to where it's intelligent. When I get involved in a deal, there are multiple ways for me to make money on those deals. So mitigate the risk. I take the risk down just by simply understanding. Con number two, money. I don't have enough money. I don't have $500,000 to put down to a $500,000 property. That's okay. Build relationships and you can do that. So even though I'm talking about cons, all of these cons have a way out of them. Number two, what about finding deals? I don't know if I can find any deals out there. Hey, go to Craigslist, go to Zillow. There's always deals there. The key is negotiation. Learn to negotiate. Yes, there's competition out there, but learn to build relationships and negotiate. You won't have a problem. So those are the cons. So what's the pros to it? These are the ones I love, the pros. Number one is leverage. If I go put $1,000 or $5,000 into the stock market, I don't know what's going to happen to it. It may go up, may go down. If I put it in cryptocurrency, it may go up, may go down. I have no control over it. So number one, you have control over it. How do you take care of risk? You have better control over something. Number two is leverage. That $5,000 that you take and you put into the stock market, if you put it into a business deal, you put it into real estate investing, you can leverage that to offset a huge property. So that $5,000 may control a $100,000 property. Let's say that I have $100,000. If I went and bought one property for $100,000, which that may or may not exist in your area, but if I did, I would only control one property. However, if I was smart and understood real estate investing, I'm going to take that, I'm going to bunch it into $10,000 chunks or maybe $20,000 chunks, and now I'm going to buy 5 houses. So now that $100,000 is going to leverage to impact $500,000 worth of value. You follow that? So that's leverage. That's one of the pros of real estate investing. Number two is the money. Once you understand how to use your knowledge and skill sets, you can have multiple deals and you start getting passive income. So you'll have rentals, or maybe you'll do notes or something like that, and those become passive. You're not working all the time for those deals. You're not always chasing the deal. And the third tip for real estate investing for your pros is everybody needs a place to live. Think about that. You're going to be in a market that's always got a supply. Now, the prices may go up and down, but ultimately, people will always need a place to stay, and prices will generally, in a real estate investing market, will generally go up unless a major crash happens in a specific community. But overall, if you look at the prices of houses, they used to sell for $15,000 and $20,000. Now they're selling for $150,000 and $200,000 and $500,000 and $600,000. It's a consistently beneficial thing. So there's 4 ways of making money in real estate. Think about it. I can leverage my appreciation. It's growing in value, so I have more equity in the property. I can leverage depreciation. I can offset some money on my taxes. I can leverage lots of different things if I understand how to get involved correctly. So I'd love to introduce you to a community, to an education system that we can help you out with all those different areas. The community will help you get a foundation for your knowledge. The education will help you understand the different leverage points. If you need anything like that, give me a call. Contact me at dfwtop.com. Schedule a time with me, and I'd love to just have one-on-one conversation. Do you want to get started in real estate investing? You're scared to? Let's have a conversation. Do you want to get started? You want to make a ton of money? Let's have that conversation. Now, if you're out there for a get-rich-quick scheme, you just lost the point. But our goal is to help you get started in real estate investing and business as a business so that you can make money not just during deals, but between deals. So I'd love to talk to you more. I'm Lyle. Go to dfwtop.com/schedule, and I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day. Bye.